Your next car could be the 2021 Dodge Charger. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Dodge Charger, the powerful, high-performance muscle car with four-door convenience, technology that keeps you safe and connected, and surprising fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.